protect my Pinterest account from hackers, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. This will direct you to an interface like this. On the top right corner, you will see these 3 dot icons. Make sure to tap on it, and a pop-up menu will appear with 2 options: settings and edit cover image. In this case, we're going to proceed to tap on settings, and with this selected, under account we have a tons of options here, and with the login we also have other options. Make sure to tap on security, which is located under login, and then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and here is where the magic will happen. And you first have to navigate and tap on the connected devices. This will make sure you have an overview of the devices which is logged in with your Pinterest account. And my Pinterest account is logged in on 2 different devices, which is an Android device and iOS device. In any case, if yours is not the case and you identify device which you are not sure of, you can just tap on end activity. In my case, I already know these 2 devices, so I'm okay with it. After that, I'll navigate back and make sure I turn on my 2-factor authentication, which is another layer of security, and this will make sure a secret code will be sent to your phone number each time you logged in. And in order for us to turn it on, we just have to toggle this on, and it will redirect us to an interface like this, and this is where we have to enter our new password and then confirm it again, and then tap on done. And that's it. You have successfully protect your Pinterest account from any intruders or hackers. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.